Hey travelers, welcome to my channel. This is Traveling Karina, and today I'm going to show you a quick tour of a junior suite at the Gran Muthu Imperial Hotel in Cayo Guillermo, Cuba. I visited Gran Muthu Imperial in May 2023, and I took a video of the junior suite so that you could see it as well. If you'd like to see more on this resort, I do have a full walkthrough video of the hotel grounds, so make sure to check that out after this one, and more videos are coming soon. Make sure to subscribe to be informed of future content on this resort and others. I appreciate the support, thank you in advance. And as promised, here is a tour of the junior suite.